So how do you turn off the liquid glass on an iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally in the iOS 26, we have the liquid glass look, right? And you're going to change it by going to the display and brightness menu within your main settings app. So go to the main settings, display and brightness, and we have the liquid glass menu right there. Right, so you cannot turn it off completely, but you can make it go from clear to tinted, which makes it less transparent and kind of looking a little bit more like in the older versions of the iOS, right? So you get to pick between these two options. It's important, however, to know that this is part of the iOS since iOS 26.1, right? So in iOS 26, we got the liquid glass, but the ability to change it from the clear to tinted is only part of the iOS 26.1. So you need to find the general section of your settings, click on software update, and then download and install the latest 26.1, because otherwise you will not see the option which I've just showed you, right? So that's the important part. As you can see, I keep on updating you whenever there's something new or, a new thing just gets released. So make sure you stay tuned for more tutorials by subscribing, and you are not going to miss any of these important updates in the future as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next videos too.